Schele Williams. I'm here with Michael Greif, and together we directed this production. This is such a special night for all of us. In 2023, we did the first production of The Notebook. In 2024, we opened The Notebook on Broadway. And on September 12th, 2025, we have launched the national tour. As an Ohio gal, it is especially meaningful to me that we have launched this in Cleveland. I am joined on stage by Bekah Brunstetter, the book writer, Ingrid Michaelson, composer and lyricist. And collectively, we would like to express gratitude to the Connor Palace Theater, to the staff, to the crew, for your hospitality, to Playhouse Square for hosting us and allowing us to birth this production here. It is not lost on any of us what a privilege it is to tell this story across this country. And it is an honor to be able to tell a story of enduring love here. And when we go to the next city and the next city and the next city. Thank you to Kurt Deutsch and Kevin McCullum and our investors that are here tonight and our co-producers for believing in a story of enduring love and how much we need to share that love with each other now more than ever. Congratulations to the cast, the company, to the orchestra, to our crew, to our managers who have worked so hard to get here. And no matter where we go, Cleveland, just know that you will always be our home. Thank you so much.